If Blender is giving you errors during render, don't panic. In this video, I'm going to show you the quickest way to troubleshoot the problem, reduce heavy load on your scene, and get your renders working again without wasting time. This is a simple step-by-step fix that can help whether you're seeing an error message, a crash, or a render that just refuses to finish. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more Blender tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, check the exact error. Open the console or the info panel in Blender and look carefully at the message that appears during the render. This is important because the error often tells you whether the issue is related to memory, a missing file, a simulation, or something else in your scene. Don't skip this part because knowing the exact error makes the fix much faster. Next, reduce the load on your scene. Go to your render settings and lower the samples. If your render is very high, that can put a lot of pressure on your system, especially on larger scenes. Also, lower the resolution if needed. A smaller test render can help you confirm whether the problem is caused by scene complexity rather than a broken setting. Now move on to the heavy elements in your scene. Disable any modifiers or simulations that you don't need for the current render. Things like fluid, smoke, cloth, particles, and complex geometry can cause major slowdowns or memory issues. If there are objects in your scene that are not visible in the final render, hide them or disable them temporarily. The goal here is to make the scene lighter and easier for Blender to process. After that, check your memory. Blender render errors are often caused by not having enough RAM or VRAM available. If your scene is using too much memory, the render can fail or crash partway through. Look at how much memory your system has and compare that to the size of your scene. Large textures, complex meshes, and heavy simulations can quickly eat up memory, so this step matters a lot. If everything still isn't working, save your file and restart Blender. Sometimes the issue is temporary and a clean restart can clear out stuck memory or rendering glitches. Make sure your project is saved first, then close Blender completely and open it again before trying another render. If the error is still there after all of that, go a little deeper with optimization. Reduce your light bounces in the render settings because high bounce values can make rendering heavier than necessary. Enable Simplify to lower the overall load on the scene. You can also lower texture sizes, which helps reduce memory usage and speeds things up. And if one render device is failing, try switching GPU to CPU or CPU to GPU, depending on your setup. That simple switch can sometimes fix the render issue immediately. Most Blender render errors come down to memory limits or scenes that are just too heavy, so the best habit is to optimize first, then raise quality later once the scene is stable. If you want more quick Blender fixes like this, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.